Hey everyone, it's Adrian here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to start low ticket affiliate marketing with the free lead system and lead lightning marketing system. So let's get on with today's video. So we'll come over to mycompanyadmin.com. This is the website you'll need. If I log in here, I'll just click here, no thanks. I'll come over to here. This will be your lead lightning sales page, and this is where I started earning $6 commissions for a $7 one-time fee. I bought this product here, build a list of rabid buyers with the most powerful lead and money grabbing system online, introducing the ultimate all-in-one commission splitting machine. This is your sales page, and this is what you get. This system sells itself, guys. So why should I be using lead lightning? The top marketers know the incredible power of a high converting target sales funnel. It's the secret to building a better list with red hot buyers still not convinced. It's easy to use, builds a buyer list for you, and there's zero monthly fees. You can see here, boost sales and enrollments. With lead lightning, you can quickly, easily generate daily commissions, build a targeted list of buyers, have success even as a beginner. This is where I started. Boost sales for your business, get free traffic training, and a whole lot more. All of this for just one time, $7 for life. And this is a breakdown of what you get with the system. You get your own e-wallet, additional marketing help, instant $6 commissions, traffic training, business in the box. It's beginner friendly, done for you autoresponder campaigns, a contact management system, all this commission tracking down here. You can see what people are saying about the system. More praise for lead lightning, so you can read this in your own time. This is what other people have said about lead lightning, the success they've had with it. So you can scroll through them. And this is what lead lightning used to cost. Get lead lightning today for just $7. It used to be $97, then it was $67, and then they're just giving it away for $7 pretty much. And I'll show you my payment proof in this, guys, that this system continues to make me money just from my YouTube videos I've done on this system. My lead lightning payment proof, money back guaranteed if you're not happy, full 7-day money back guarantee, no questions asked if you can't make money on it. That is your income disclaimer. This company is 100% legit. So if I just come out of this, guys, come out of this, if I back out this lead lightning page, come out the free lead system, and then I will now log into my lead lightning account and show you 100% around what it involves and how you can market this system very easily. Got all the tools and the training you need to market this training. If I come over here to training, you'll see here, I'll scroll down to the bottom. You've got all these text links. When you sign up, you'll get all these text links, and they will all have your affiliate link attached. You just share these around online. You can see here, I've got a short bit of text, need leads, get red hot leads in 24 hours or less. And there you go, your affiliate link there is attached. That is my affiliate link, but obviously when you sign up, it will be your affiliate link. You've got all these you can use to promote it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever social network or however you want to promote your business. I predominantly use Facebook and WebTalk. Have links to both of them sites on my YouTube channel. WebTalk is a new social media. It's been around a little while now. You can earn an income as well. If I just come back a step, you can also see here you've got banners. Another way you can advertise this system. You can see here you've got different size banners you can add to your blog or your website or your Facebook page. Whatever. Very, very simple and easy to advertise this system, guys. And it does make me money, as I'll show you here. I'll show you my leads first. I have 3,393 leads in this system. Not all 3,393 people have bought. That's obvious in any online business that not all 3,000 people will buy. As you can see, this is my buyers list. From January the 3rd, 2019, I've been making money. $6 commissions all the time, sometimes months apart. They're pretty regular payments, you can see here. Scroll down right down to the bottom, and you can see that I've made 3 this month already, and I'm barely advertising it, guys. I'm just simply advertising this system on my YouTube channel. You can see here September the 9th, September the 21st, and September the 22nd. And like I said, guys, for a system that is only $7 one time, it's so easy to make money on this, guys, and it's all done for you. Email autoresponder is already set up for you, so you haven't got to worry about that. We've got a Facebook group you can join by clicking here. You can advertise your primary business through this. You can put your blog in here and update it, and the autoresponder will go to work and advertise whatever that primary business is you're in. If you see here, you've got funnel 1 lead lightning, so you click that. You can promote just lead lightning. Here is a link to you to promote lead lightning and your primary business. If I come back a step, if you don't want to advertise lead lightning because you don't want to force payments on people having to pay for something, if you want to give something away for free. Excuse me, guys, sorry about that. You want to give something away for free, you've got the free lead system here. The free lead system will also promote your primary business. As you can see here, here is a link used to promote free lead system and your primary opportunity, whatever that could be. Don't be too worried about this writing, guys. You cannot post this link directly on social media. It will be flagged up as spam. You just shorten this, guys. You just shorten this with either bit.ly.com or tinyurl or another URL shortener you may use. It will be flagged if you use this direct link, but if you just shorten this link or your affiliate link, you will be able to post it on Facebook, as I do myself. So that was a video of today, guys. I hope you got some great value from that video. Like I said, guys, this system is $7 one time, and it will make you money. If I come over again and show you my money, I'll come over and show you here, total commissions earned. Here you go. This week, you see I've earned $12, and that's just for my YouTube videos on this system itself. If I scroll back, $6, $18, you can see, guys, all the way up where I've been promoting it heavy, guys. You can see here, like $30 in a week, $24, $24, $6, $12, $18, $12, $18 again, $12 again. You can see here, guys, this list goes right back to Sunday the 30th of December 2018. So it's residual income, guys. All depends how hard you want to promote this system and how hard you generally want to work. But like I said, this system is an awesome little system for beginners to make money online, to invest $7 of your money, and you will make it back, no sweat, no questions asked, guys. If you can't make your $7 that you invest in this system back within a week, then you're clearly doing something wrong, because this system will just pay for itself with 2 sales. All you need to do is make 2 sales and you've made your $7 back. So that was the video for today, guys. Hope you got some value from that. If you did, let me just log out the system. If you got some value from the video, guys, smash a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, share the content around to help people make money online. We're really into tough times at the moment all around the world. I'm here in the UK. I live in Northampton in the UK. I've lived here all my life, and I'm just trying to help you guys that are starting out in not so much poor countries, guys, but just all around the world. Start your affiliate marketing journey with a simple system that pays, and that is what I've tried to show you guys today, that you don't have to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on pretty much bullshit affiliate marketing courses, when you can just find genuine people like myself that have just found a $7 business opportunity. You can make $6 commissions, and you don't even have to promote it that hard online. You don't have to make videos like myself. You can use social media to promote lead lightning and the free lead system. And the system, once people sign up to the system and they enter their email address, the autoresponder takes over, and it will just it will send them an email sequence for 15 days, guys, getting them to come back and have a look at lead lightning. If they come back, have a look at lead lightning, and they buy lead lightning for $7, you make that $6 commissions, guys. So like I said, Really hope you got some value from this video today, guys. If you did, smash a like on the video, share the content around, and also go ahead and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, stay blessed, stay safe wherever you are in the world, and I'll be back soon with more great content. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Be back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.